Hi everyone, this is Jessica from My Mother's Crafts, designing for 12 by 12 cardstock shop. And for this video, I'll be working on a turkey favor box. Starting off, I'll be folding the tabs for the strips of my box and going in with my Barely Arts glue to assemble the box together. If you're using textured cardstock like I am from the Encore line, you want to make sure that the single strip goes on the left side of your box so the textured side is showing. Be sure to check out the description of this video for all the information on the list of colors and materials I used to create this project. Next, we'll be working on the lid for our box. For this step, you want to make sure that that little tab on the long strip is facing down towards the point of your triangle. Using the little tab, we're going to glue both of the long strips together, but we're going to leave the top of the lid unattached from the long strips. Once that's done, our lid should look something like this. Next, what we're going to do is add glue to the loose strip from our lid, and we're going to add it to the back of our box. Once we're done with this step, our box should look something like this. For the final steps, I'll be gluing together all the details for our box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the description for all the information on how you can create this project.